Okay, our next step, now that the graphite has been put on, not this, but the graphite. So I put a little bit in here. I'm trying to take everything slow, so it's easy to speed a video up. But if you want to go back and go, oh, wait a minute, I didn't quite see that, then it's hard to do that. Okay, in putting the front variator on the drive shaft, we're not going to put this one on yet. This one will go on after the belt. But I've taken the 6 weights, as you can see. It's got a little bit of powdered graphite in it. And if you want, you can just take it and go, you know, and blow the extra graphite out. Now, there's a lot of people going to tell you, no, don't put anything in it. I like to do it because if this plastic gets hot and it sticks, it will round the shoulders off on these. Also, Dr. Pulley. I think I got some more here. Dr. Pulley. These are some of the best. Of course, I haven't used them for. What the hell are they? I have Dr. Pulley somewhere in here. There they are. Oh, shit. Oops. You didn't hear that. These are Dr. Pulleys. Okay? These are 9 gram. There's 6 of them. You can buy these, the real ones, for regular price. Or you can, see it says Dr. Pulley right there. Or you can get the cheap knockoffs, which are these, right here, for half the price. This says Koso, but I don't think they're Koso. And this one here, let me just show you how they sell them. These are Dr. Pulley right there. Those are 8 gram. Those are used, which they're fine. There's nothing wrong with them. This is 9 gram. They're exactly like the ones up here I showed you, and you can get them in certain sizes. These are exceptionally, they're probably the Ferrari of variator pulleys as far as having your bike go from first gear to second gear or low speed to high speed and back again. It's got the most smoothest transition of anything. The stock ones work great in a stock bike, but I would always use these in my other bike right here, in the front right here. Excuse me. I think you can buy these for like $30. You could buy them for like $30 for a kit. The regular Dr. Pulley ones, which are really high quality, or you can get the cheap knockoffs for like about 12 bucks. I would suggest you spend the money on this because there's so much heat coming out of these motors that these are really help. It's kind of tricky getting them in the right way because they look like they go in one way and they may go in another way, but their transition from having what happens is, as this spins around, okay, I think of it like a Ferris wheel. As it spins around, these weights are naturally thrown out this way. As they're thrown out, the ramp plate rises up, okay? As it rises up, it squeezes the other side of this and makes the belt, which is riding on the very bottom of the crankshaft, it makes the belt ride up this way to the very top. And transversely, it makes it ride from the top of the back clamshell pulley to the bottom, which the bottom is right there. That's how you go from first gear to second gear. It's a great system, works great. Once you understand it, as long as you get good parts for something like that, you know, or a good piston, things like that. Anyway, I forgot I even had those. I'm going to put those away. So I suggest Dr. Pulley. You can buy the cheap ones. There's nothing wrong with them. The deal is you're going to have to take your bike apart take the belt off, change your parts every time you think you got a problem. So why not put quality parts in the first time so you don't spend 3 hours taking it apart? But that's kind of the fun of our little bikes, right? Okay, now this, I'm going to see if I can do this. I don't know if I can. Excuse me. This part right here, this is the back. Back. You have to flip this over, okay, this part, and have it ride on these 3 guides. These are the ramp guides. These are the ramp pins. Now, to do this with one-handed would be almost impossible. You can see that one just almost started to come out. And I've got to aim my camera and speak and try and do this with one hand. It's probably not going to work with mine. Let's see. Okay, we got one on there. Oh, look at that. We got them all on there. Now that's a miracle. And you can see there's a little bit of dust on it. So that's the front of your variator. Right? This is the part that goes against the side of the engine. Now, you also have to have the pulley guide, excuse me, the pulley boss, which goes under here. And it goes right there. So when you put it on like this, okay, see how it's going on? Okay, it will push that up. See how it's pushed up? So you have to have 2 hands in order to do it. Otherwise, this top part will come off and you got to do it all over again. So you need 2 hands. As you're doing 2 hands, excuse me, I'm getting old. You grab it very carefully with 1 finger over here and 1 finger over here. Then what we do, and I'm going to show you because I can't show you with the camera with one hand. Then you want to slowly put it onto your crankshaft right here. But you want to make sure that the pulley boss goes on and the ramp plate does not widen out and drop the weights. Once you get it securely in the back there, you leave it there. Well, that's done. But it takes a little bit of practice. You might pinch your fingers a little bit. But all these motors are the same way. And I'm just trying to go through the basics, through the basics slowly so you understand how the bike works. Remember, if you understand a thing, then you control a thing. It's like, they said in Dune, he who controls the spice owns the world or controls the world or something like that. For the first Dune movie was pretty good. They have the lead actor, he owns a winery here, Kyle McLaughlin or something like that. I hope I'll meet him. He's my age. But it probably won't, but probably doesn't talk to little people like me. Anyway, this will go on after the belt goes on. And then we put the nut on. All right? Next thing we're going to do is put the new spring back on the clean pulley, rear clamshell pulley, and the rear clutch as a unit. And then we'll put it on. After we get it on, I'll show you how to put the new belt on. And we're almost home. Thanks for watching.